Hey guys, box opening video again. Today I will test the 8 winning products and show you how they work, so you can tell if they worth you to market. If you think this video is helpful, please leave a comment below or smash the like to let me know, so I am going to make more videos like this. The first product I picked is a rechargeable colors remover. The first time I saw this product was several months ago. It was a Facebook video ad, and like this. The vacuum cleaner system is the selling point of this colors remover. The colors will not pollute the sofa, carpet, or bed sheet when consumers are using it. The packaging is very beautiful, like a gift box, and because this is a luxury one, there is plain one for option. The printing on the package is both in Chinese and English. Okay, open the box. We got a remover, and it seems there are something on the bottom. So, let me see. Okay, we got a box of accessories. Well, a full box of accessories. Yeah. We got 2 replaceable heads, a head cover, a box of USB cable and some gadgets, 2 bags of food salt and food cream, and a user's guide. This user's guide is in Chinese, but if you need, CJ Custom Packaging team can make an English version for you. As far as I know, the plain model, which is a white one, is packed with English menu and a package, and many sellers are branding this product with a customized logo and a package. Now let's see how the product works. There is a button on the bottom, so push it. No reaction. Let me try long pressing it. Okay, it works. The noise is a little loud. I think it mainly comes from the high-speed rotating motor. Press it again. It turns to a faster speed. Long press to turn it off. The head is replaceable, and this hoop can be taken off to clean inside. The surface is covered with matte paint and the color is gorgeous. If you are running a gift store, it is a good choice with a good looking appearance and nice packaging. But for general store, the plain one may be a bad choice, for the price is much cheaper. The next product is a mobile tripod and a selfie stick. It is super hot product because it's super useful, and the market potential is tremendous. People love taking selfies. It is a selfie stick with a tripod, so it can be held or put on a table on a flat platform to record. For a product under $5, the quality is not bad. Here's a non-slip design and on the stick. And here is a remote controller. It can be connected to mobile via Bluetooth. Then you can take pictures for yourself, even if you are traveling alone. These 2 pictures were taken with a selfie stick like this. And I found this is also a perfect phone holder. The click is adjustable, and it can support a landscape and the portrait screen mode. When keeping the mobile upright, it's comfortable to take a video call or have live stream or watch TikTok videos. And it stands stable and clips tight, so the possibility of falling and mobile damage could be excluded from consideration. I have 2 thumbs up for this gadget because I'd already got one 5 months ago, and it's all real comments from my usage experience. This pad bed has been on the top sellers for more than 1 year, but the sales are still going up. There are dozens of color options and several sizes available. This one is 60 centimeter, and this one I suppose is 80 centimeter. The largest one is 120 centimeter, like this wide, as large as a small bed, big enough for large breed dogs. It is fluffy and soft, no pungent smell. The only shortcoming of this bed pad, I think, is there is no zipper to peel the cover off, so you can't remove the padding. You need to have it washed as a whole. The sales of this kitchen sink basket rocketed about 3 months ago. It got crazy sales in past month, and on AliExpress, many sellers got thousands of orders for this product. This product is very simple, nothing special. A basket and a sucker. Suck it on the sink, and the basket can be taken off and hooked on very easily. And I got a beige one and a blue one. But I think there are color differences from how they look like on the screen, not that bright. We got the inventories in both our US warehouse and Thailand warehouse. Delivery time promising. And now we have a promotion for this product, 50% off, only 50 cents each. You can sell in the set to increase profits to cover the current high shipping costs. The first time I saw this tablet holder was also on a Facebook video ad. I was not into this product because I have got a lighter and foldable one. So I think this one takes up too much space. When I got this product, I still thought it was useless until I put my iPad on it. Oh my god, there's no wonder this tablet holder got crazy sales. It is so comfortable to use it, and it is soft and stands steadily, and there are 3 angles. Whether you are sitting or lying, you will find a comfortable angle with the holder. Here's a mesh packet to put earphones, and the cover can be taken off so you can wash it, and there is no pungent smell. I think it is a good product to sell that will hardly get bad reviews. Next product, a U-shaped cushion. This seat cushion is pretty well made. Mesh cover and the non-slippery design on the bottom. Here is a zipper so you can take off the cover for cleaning, and we can see that the padding is high density memory foam, and here is a gel layer on the upper layer. Okay, now let me try it. Well, it's super comfortable and I can feel the cool gel. This design is great when using this cushion in summer. And I checked the selling price. The total prices for this product are no lower than $25 on AliExpress, but on CJ, the total dropshipping price is less than $20 for the black one with faster delivery time, and replaceable covers in different colors are available. I have posted the product links on the video description. You can go to the list or buy the products I show in this video if you like. The next product I want to show you is a 3-in-1 wireless charger. This product is used to charge iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. The surface is in matte black. Looks gorgeous and feels great. Different from flat wireless chargers, you can use a mobile while charging with this charger. The total dropshipping price is $22. I think the quality is definitely worth the price. Today's last product, electric vacuum sealer. This one is a Chinese type because I need to test it with a Chinese standard plug so you can see the Chinese on the machine. But you can choose the type you need. The marks will be all in English. When I first saw this product, I thought it will be very complicated to use, and I have no idea how it works. But I was wrong. It's super easy and fun to use it. Let me show you. Put the item on the bag. The item shouldn't be too big and should not be liquid or powder, or it will not work. Put a pocket mount between the 2 sponge lines, then lock the machine. Push on the button. Just wait for a moment, it will stop automatically. Then pull this button to release the pressure. Look, it's very easy and tasty and cool to seal food or anything you want to seal. And you can choose only to seal the bag without pumping the air out. It is perfect to seal shapes. Bags with different sizes are available on the same page. It's better to set bottle sales. All in all, it could be a promised product. Sell it before too many competitors join in. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, just leave a comment or smash a like to let me know. I am going to make more videos like this. Subscribe to us and ring the bell to make sure you won't miss any updates. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Danny. See you soon in the next video.